Creating a ProtonMail account is quick and easy. Follow these steps to get started. Visit the ProtonMail website. Open your web browser and go to the official ProtonMail website at protonmail.com. Click Sign Up. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Choose a plan. ProtonMail offers both free and premium plans. For most users, the free plan is sufficient. Select your preferred plan and click Select Free Plan to proceed. Create your account. Username. Choose your ProtonMail username. Password. Create a strong password. Make sure it's unique and secure to protect your account. Recovery email. You may be prompted to enter a recovery email address to help you regain access to your account in case you forget your password. This step is optional but recommended. Verify your account. ProtonMail will ask you to verify your identity using CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. If required, you may need to complete an SMS verification or use another method to confirm your registration. Access your account. Once registered and verified, click Go to Inbox to access your new ProtonMail inbox.